Morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Find X3 Neo, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style, and here click on wallpapers. Now you can choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from your own photos, one from live wallpapers, static wallpapers, or you can also enter online wallpapers and choose the one that you like the most. Let me apply, for example, this one. You can take a look how particular picture looks on your screen, and once you select the preferred one, tap on apply. Now decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick both, and that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.